How to replace the yellow faded plastic light cover on a Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML350, 2007 to 2009. Tools needed: heat gun, 2 flat blade screwdrivers, straight pick tool or small screwdriver, adhesive. Steps: remove the headlight outer trim molding. Carefully remove the trim molding around the headlight to access the light cover. Heat the light cover. Use a heat gun to warm up the edges of the plastic light cover. This will soften the adhesive and make it easier to remove. Pry open the light cover. Use 2 flat blade screwdrivers to gently pry open and remove the light cover from the headlight assembly. Remove the inside lens housing. Using a small screwdriver or a straight pick tool, remove the inside lens housing carefully. Apply adhesive to the edges of the new light cover. Attach the new light cover. Place the new light cover onto the headlight assembly, ensuring it fits securely. Reattach the headlight outer trim molding. Reattach the outer trim molding around the headlight to complete the installation. Now, you will have a fresh, new light cover for your Mercedes-Benz M-Class ML350.